Okay, Language Explorer. So let's look at today's Tuesday verbs. So approach, approach, approach. To come closer to something, whether physically or to do something. Physically closer or to do something. She approached me to help her. It's like saying she came to me to ask for help. She approached me for help. Makes sense, yeah. Makes sense. Yeah. We are slowly approaching the house. We are slowly approaching the house. Yeah, we're coming towards the house. He approaches them for help. Yeah. So I'll approach the house from the path along the beach. Approach. Yeah, go to something. Yeah, to go to something. To go to something, yes. Very good. So approach. Here, is it going there? Here, he's going there. He's not approaching. He is not approaching us. He's not approaching us. He's going away. Very good. Whoops. Very good, yeah. He's not approaching us. So we could say, I approach. You approach. They approach. I will approach it carefully. Yeah, they want to approach me. So they want to approach me. They want to approach me. Yeah. And you will need to approach them. You told me not to approach her. So you told me not to approach her. Okay? Makes sense. So that means that he approaches. She approaches. Yeah. He will approach from the north. He approaches from the north. She will approach from the beach. She will come here. She approaches from the beach. She will come here via the beach. He will come here via the north. The north, which is roughly that direction. The north. The north. How cool is that? So, he approached the station carefully. He approaches the station carefully. Yeah. He approaches each person and asks a question. Yeah. How cool is that? They are approaching her slowly. Approaching slowly. I'm slowly approaching the door. I'm slowly approaching the door. Slowly going to the door. He's slowly approaching the office. He approaches the office. I approach the office. Very good. How cool is that? I'm going to approach it. I'm going to touch it. I'm going to approach it. Approach the book. It's not bad. Yeah. I will approach the book slowly. Book slowly. It is big and making scary noises. Wow. Makes scary noises. Making scary noises, all right? Yeah. How cool is that? How cool is that? The book, okay, we need to be careful when approaching certain books. They make weird noises. Yeah, be careful when approaching them. It makes sense. How cool is that? So yeah, approach. Come closer to something, whether physically or to do something. Come closer to me. We are coming closer to the hotel. He approaches. I'm approaching the hotel. He approaches me for help. I'm approaching the book. They are approaching me. How cool is that? So approach. Now, can you write approach in a sentence? And can you write the sentence in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos and more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.